What's up YouTube, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Nike Air Max 1 Anniversary in the Magma Orange colorway. This pair has been slowly landing in shops throughout the past few months. It retails for a price of $140 US or $185 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is white, magma orange, neutral gray, and black. Originally back in 2017, to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 1, Nike released a bunch of Air Max 1 Anniversary colorways. Basically, this anniversary series was a remastered or recrafted Air Max 1 to be as close to the OGs as possible. So after a brief hiatus, Nike has rolled out these OG-inspired Air Max 1s once again, releasing them in two colors, one the evergreen green colorway, and this one the magma orange. So first things first, unlike the original run of the Air Max 1 Anniversary, this one isn't technically branded as the Anniversary series. And like so, it comes in your regular red Nike sportswear box. Still, the actual construction of this shoe is pretty much the same as the 2017 releases. So with that said, taking a deep dive into the sneaker, this toe box area first off is constructed out of this herringbone shaped mesh. This mesh is very flexible and very breathable, and then surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, we have this orange colored synthetic suede which has a bit of that felt feel to it. As you can see, Nike did a pretty decent job with the toe box. We don't have that cliff toe look that a lot of older Air Max 1 retros had, and instead it's much more streamlined and tapered. So this orange suede runs down the entire length of the shoe as a mudguard, and then above this, covering the quarter panel, we have this neutral gray colored suede. Similar to the orange suede, it has a very synthetic and felt-like feel to it, but it is what it is, and that's normally what you find with Air Max 1s. Stitched on top of this gray suede, we have this orange swoosh, and then above this, the top two eyelets are constructed out of this orange colored plastic. Surrounding the top portion of the back heel, we have this shiny white colored nylon, and then below this we have that gray suede with Nike Air branding embroidered in orange. For the laces, these come with a flat style nylon lace, and unlike the Anniversary series, they don't give you the softer cotton laces, which I actually really prefer. So I'm probably gonna have to buy a pair of cotton laces to replace these nylon laces because these guys have a very crunchy and stiff feel to them, which I don't love. Underneath the laces, we have a mesh and nylon tongue, and at the very top, we have this tag which has Nike Air Max branding on it done in orange. Taking up the insoles, these come with an orange colored insole, and we have Nike Air branding on the heel in white. So the upper of these Air Max 1s sits atop this full-length white colored foam midsole. Underneath the heel, we have this cutout which exposes the Air Max unit that's found within the midsole, and then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, which is primarily done in black and white colored rubber, but we have this hit of orange at the top of the toe, and it's finished off with Nike Air branding on the heel. So that covers the look of this shoe. For those wondering how these fit, generally speaking, I'm a true size 10, and for the Air Max 1, I usually wear between a 10 or a 10.5 in most of the models. Specifically for the anniversary pairs, I found that the initial run of the red and the blue pair that dropped first, those ones were a little bit more roomy than your normal Air Max 1. And long story short, for this pair, I could only get my hands on a size 10, and overall I'd say that they fit me pretty well in a slightly snug way. I think I can get by with sticking true to size for this pair, but if you have really wide feet or if you just prefer a looser fit, then you can probably get by with going up a half size. Next up, in terms of the comfort, so these feel pretty much like all your other run-of-the-mill Air Max 1s. It's not going to be the most comfortable shoe on the market, but as far as a retro sneaker goes from 1987, it's going to do the job. It's going to be perfectly fine for just a casual shoe, and to me it gives me a good balance of softness and support. Finally, in terms of the quality and the craftsmanship on this pair, overall I'd say that it's pretty good. While the materials weren't anything premium, you know how the typical Air Max 1 uses felt like material on the upper, but beyond that, the construction on my pair was pretty solid. I had no glue stains, no loose stitching, nothing like that, and I'm pretty happy considering the price point of $140 US or $185 Canadian. With all that being said, now let's lace up these Air Max 1 Magma Oranges, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. All in all, there's nothing too significant about this shoe. It's your basic run-of-the-mill Air Max 1, but the only major difference is, of course, the orange. So if you're an Air Max 1 fan and you like the color orange, then this shoe totally speaks to you. And for me, while I don't love the color orange, I'm a pretty big fan of the Air Max 1, especially when they're done in this classic timeless color blocking style. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Magma Orange Nike Air Max 1. Was this or is this going to be a cop or drop for you? And between this one and the evergreen pair, which of the two do you guys prefer? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8. Check out my Twitter account at sean.go and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this review, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.